What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and everybody who is new, welcome to InZaNe TRD. It's your boy Eddie, and today we have a pretty exciting video, and it's due regards to the headlights. Your boy got the new headlights in, so we're gonna be doing that today, but we're gonna start at the gym today. And my boy Yuli is here to pick me up. Started, man. About to hit this gym workout, dude. Shit, copyright. Copyright, dude. You already know the deal. You already know the deal. Come on, dude.
Hey, by the way, Gabe's gonna meet us there with Robert.
Bet. So we're going to Chatsworth?
Yeah.
Bet. Say no more, dude. We got more people coming into the vlog. We got Robert and Gabe about to hit chesties with us and get this nice pump workout before we install those headlights today. So Hrs did send me out new headlights. For everybody that was asking in the comment sections if they did email me back and all that, they did. And they gave me two options, was to turn in those triple beam and get a full refund, or get the new pair shipped out. And that's what they decided to do. I decided to go with the new pair, see what's up with them. I never tried them or seen them. If you're wondering what that fucking beeping sound is, it's Ulises, because he doesn't want to put his seatbelt on. He's just a reckless driver like that, you feel me?
I'm dangerous, man. I'm dangerous.
Yeah, it's a reckless driver, dude. But yeah, they sent me out the new X-Series lights. I'm gonna try them on, see what they did today, see how those look on the car. But they did email me back, for everybody that was asking. So I mean, the customer service so far has been pretty great. They've been responding back to me, getting back to me. So I have no bad things to say on that. But yeah, so they do refund you or exchange you back headlights if you do have the warranty on them. So I haven't had a problem with that. Just so you guys know. Got the boys, we're in here. They're getting their pre-workout. I'm drinking my Celsius as my pre-workout. What are we hitting today, Gabe?
Some titties.
Titties, breast, chest, all of it. You name it.
Let's go. Let's fucking go. 3 plates and a 5.
Alright. Push.
Getting love before hitting the club. Young thugs pulling up, trying to get us a dub. Don't know us, like how many we got. And these monkey face niggas that stinks in my heart.
Nice.
Dries like a
Good workout.
Good shit. Oh shit, my bad.
Alright guys, I'm back from the gym and I finished eating. Get a little energy. And we got the box right here. Haven't even unboxed it, because I'm about to do that right now. But yeah, we got the box. Like I said, they emailed me, got back to me, told them the situation, and they gave me those two options like I said earlier. And yeah, I went with the X-Series. So let's open them up and see how they look. Headlights are out. I wanted to get that out first, just so we could already have everything out and good. Now time to unbox it. Now we're gonna unbox it. We got the triple beams right here, taken off already. So let's get to the good part. I do want to give a big shout out to Hrs for, you know, getting back to the emails and keeping up with their customer service. You feel me? I had no issues with their customer service. They were getting back to me. They gave me options. So yeah, shout out to Hrs, for real. We got this really taped up though. Wow. It's 2 boxes in a box. Oh, so it's already open. Okay, so sorry you guys can't see. There you go. Damn. Okay, cool. Get that big box out the way. Oh. Sorry, I dropped you guys. So these do look OEM to the XSC headlights. It's really in here though. Here's the headlight, guys. Has the clear reflectors. I don't know if you guys can see that. Clear reflectors with the XSC look. So before I install them, I do want to check if they work, so we're gonna do that first, just to make sure it's not one of my fuses in the car or anything like that. So let's do it. Let's test it. So I was right. We got harnesses. This one be tough. I don't know. I don't know this one. So let's just try to figure this out, I guess. So I got the wires. So I'm thinking it's pretty straightforward. So we got this one. Boom. Fits. You see that? Let's get a little zoom in real quick. Boom. This obviously goes into the headlight. So this is I'm pretty sure. Then we got this one right here, which I believe goes right here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I'm correct. Okay. Now we're gonna see if they work. Oh, I just want to see if they work first. Hopefully they don't follow me. Okay, so we got them on. They're working. As you guys can see, we got the three LED lights right here with the reflector on. Now let's see the full. Okay, now we got the full LED light on. All of them are working. Everything's fine. We should be chilling. Yes, sir. Here you go for all my satisfied lovers. Oh. There you go. Yes, that was satisfying. We're almost there, guys. Got one on. Still need that one, and then we should get them connected. And then I should show you guys the end result. I don't know if you guys wanted to see me connected or not, so I'm just kind of not showing so much of that. But if you guys ever had any questions on how to hook it up, I got you. Or I can make an install video of it, however you guys want. You guys tell me, because I know not many people have the XSEs. A lot of people have the triple beams, so yeah. If you guys ever want an install video of this, I'll do it. But just to save time and light, I'm not doing that right now. So good, so far so good. We got this side on. We got this side on. Now let's try the all of them. Let's see if all of them work now. Let's see. We got that one fully powered and this one fully powered. Yes, baby. Yes. So I know it wasn't one of my fuses, that's for sure. So good thing we got that out the way. But like I said, once again, guys, shout out to Hrs for real sending me out new headlights. Like I said, I got nothing bad to say about the customer service. They've been helping me, been very responsive with me, so big thumbs up to them. Boom, and those are the lights. We got the lights now on, and they are working perfectly fine. Boom. Yes, sir. It's not too shabby, to be honest. Not too shabby. I'm used to the check mark light, you know what I mean? But this also looks good. Damn, bro. And like I said, once again, guys, huge shout out to Hrs for getting back to me. Customer service on point, at least with me. Don't know other people's experiences, but for me, they've been so far so good with me, and I truly appreciate that, for real. They know how expensive these lights are. The fact that they got back to me and took initiative and did what they had to do just shows the responsibility they do have on their side. So shout out to Hrs once again. So guys, you guys know she's looking white as hell with the new headlights now. You guys see it? Oh my gosh, she looks OEM now. It looks like regular stock headlights on the car now, but overall she is looking damn good. Damn. Ooh, and you guys thought I was done, huh? I'm not done. I actually ordered another carbon fiber part from one and only King of Carbon Fiber. You guys know what to do. If you guys need any carbon fiber parts for your Camry, go follow King of Carbon Fiber. He will get you right with all your carbon fiber needs. But if you guys are wondering what this is a carbon fiber door cover for the gas cover. Carbon fiber gas cover. I wish I had the real thing where I can just take out that OEM one and put a real carbon fiber door, but we gotta go with this for now. So yeah, let me just go clean that up and install it, and then it should be fine. Okay, after finally taking off the damn bubbles, here it is. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. You know what I'm saying, little by little. So yeah, so many more pieces that I can't even keep up. So he needs to chill, because he keeps taking all my money.
So guys, what you guys just saw was what I had recorded last week, I believe. Yeah, last week or the beginning of, yeah, I would say last week I received them. But I didn't know I was gonna make this at the end of the video, but I think I'm going to. So I think I'm going to take a little break from making videos just for right now, just to kind of find myself. Lately I've been feeling not me. I feel like I've lost touch within myself. I just need to work on myself. I need to work on a couple more things, just to work on my mental health and just overall feel 100% and good with myself. So I just hope you guys like understand that. I'm not leaving YouTube, but I am gonna come back. I just do want to take a little break right now, just to focus on my mental health and my physical health, and just kind of get back on track where I was, because it's been a little tough for me. You guys can't really see it through the videos, obviously, but I'm sure you guys go through stuff too. So right now I'm just kind of taking a little social media break, as well with the YouTube after this video. So I hope you guys do understand. I hope the ones who are subscribed still stick around. I will be back, like, I don't know how long. I don't want to put a time frame on it, but just kind of want to be at 100% with myself, so I could be 100% with you guys and just be full honest with you guys and just be straight transparent. That's why I'm letting you guys know right now that that's kind of what I'm going for right now. So I truly appreciate every single one of you guys who are subscribed and watches the videos, for real, who like it and just come by and to the channel. Like, it means the world to me, for real. You guys support does not go unnoticed at all. I see it all the time, and it just truly makes me happy, and I truly appreciate it. But for right now, I'm just gonna take that little break, and like I said, guys, I hope you guys truly understand. And yeah.